In this question it is given that a sailboat sails 2 km due east, then 5 km 37 degrees south of east, and finally an unknown displacement. The final displacement of boat from the starting point is 6 km due east. Determine the third displacement. So we can just identify what about the value displacement in different situation. Let's say this is nothing but east and this is nothing but north. East we are taking it as our x-axis and north we are taking it as nothing but our y-axis. The sailboat sails 2 km due east. So 2 km east we can take it as nothing but 2 I cap, and 5 km 37 degrees south of east. So 5 km 37 degrees south of east. We know that this is going to be nothing but south, and 37 degree south of east. That means let's say resultant vector is something but this. It's having a magnitude of 5 and it's making an angle 37 degrees south of east. So we can resolve this 5 into its component. Component of 5 along this direction is going to be 5 cos 37, and the component of 5 along this direction is going to be 5 sin 37. So we can find out what about the value for it. If you are having any doubt, if anyone is not knowing what is the value of this 37, so just remember that if you are having a triangle with sides 3, 4 and 5, so we know that this angle is going to be 90 degree, and this angle which is opposite to that of 4 is going to be 53 degree, and opposite to 3 is going to be 37. So from this triangle we can write the value of sin 37, that is opposite side 3 divided by hypotenuse, that is 5. And if you want to find out the value of cos 37 is something but adjacent side 4 by hypotenuse 5. So by using this we can resolve the vectors into its components. First one is 5 cos 37. Cos 37 is nothing but 4 by 5. So I'll get the answer as nothing but 4. And 5 sin 37, this is nothing but 5 into 3 divided by 5, and we can take it as that is equal to 3. So what are the vectors? First we have a vector of magnitude 2i, then we have a vector of magnitude plus 4 I cap, and then we have a vector of magnitude minus 3 j cap. Now the final displacement, and along with that, that's having some unknown displacement. So let's say some unknown displacement s. Starting from if the final displacement of boat from the starting point is 6 km due east. So the final displacement should be equal to 6 km due east, that means 6 I cap. So we can observe that it's going to be 6 I cap minus 3 j cap plus displacement s should be equal to nothing but 6 I cap. So the 6 I cap and this 6 I cap get cancelled. So we'll get the value of displacement vector is equal to nothing but 3 j cap. So 3j means nothing but 3 along the north direction.